Why should your organization be ISO 9001-2015 certified? What does a gap analysis evaluation include? Who performs gap analysis and ISO 9001 audits? How does a gap analysis prepare you for recertification? When should you start preparing for the transition? Where do you find qualified auditors? Why should your organization be ISO 9001-2015 certified? Benefits include: allows you to clearly state your objectives and identify new business opportunities, ensures you consistently meet customer expectations, allows you to work in a more efficient way with aligned and understandable processes, meets statutory and regulatory requirements, identifies and addresses risks. What does a gap analysis evaluation include? A comprehensive gap analysis focuses on each clause within the standard, as you can see from the chart below. Who performs gap analysis in ISO 9001-2015 audits? Organizations can conduct their own internal evaluation using our free gap analysis checklist tool at www.proqc.com/ISO 9001, or take advantage of trained auditors that specialize in the transition process. How does a gap analysis prepare you for recertification? A gap analysis evaluation identifies opportunities for improvement and results in a detailed action implementation plan that guides you to successful recertification. When should you start transitioning? Start now. For organizations currently certified to ISO 9001-2008, the deadline is September of 2018. The sooner a gap analysis can be conducted, the more time an organization will have to implement and verify the success of improvement plans. The ProQC advantage: stability, over 3 decades of experience, global presence, services in over 38 countries, experienced degreed engineers, quality control professionals with industry knowledge, scheduling flexibility. We work closely with clients and others to meet deadlines, timely feedback, and dedicated account managers. Online reports are posted within 24 hours. Scalability: 1 day full-time or part-time assignments. Where do you find qualified ISO 9001-2015 auditors? You can find them at ProQC International. And download the free gap analysis checklist tool at www.proqc.com/ISO 9001.